You know what? I'm just gonna say we at a house party. Good morning. So I'm at Starbucks. The line was too long, so I had to come inside. And yeah, it's hot. It's so hot right now. So I got my Starbucks. You guys already know I needed this. But unfortunately, I didn't have my sandwich, so I'm kind of devastated over that.
You say devastated?
I am. It's okay. You ready? Let's go. How much dramatic? Anyway, so today we're doing a pop-up. We're doing drinks this time. You guys already know. We are the pop-up queens. We usually do our clothes.
Ask your people for. Let me for the drink.
Oh, I don't want to run over this drink. Somebody put an empty cup in here. Anyway, so you guys already know we usually do our clothes and all that, but we do part of drink events, right? If you guys didn't see the last vlog where we did one and it wasn't what we expected, we weren't allowed on the premises. Basically, we got kicked out.
Wait.
What?
Like I booked.
What happened then? What happened?
Don't act like I be booking us, cause I book the event.
All right, I'm gonna turn you guys off because I need to focus. I might need to do something illegal. Okay. I have to turn around. Okay.
Why don't we just go ahead and get that little mount thing at the forehead?
That wasn't for a car though. Oh. Yeah, one more time. Alright, I'm doing U-turn and we out.
Can't you go straight down this alley?
Okay, we about to do a pop-up basically. We tell you the story of the last event later. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna take this camera down. Okay, so yeah, anyway, today it's gonna be a good event. I'm being optimistic, and yeah, we got some drinks and we got hookah. Let's sell. Yeah, mama, huh? It just said Alameda. We in the hood.
Well, when I booked it, it just said LA.
What's this? Where we going?
They got security.
They got security at the park. That's where we going. Oh shit, I passed it.
So I know it's 127th, isn't it? That's 121st.
I'm just following them. This girl got me in the hood.
Oh, could it be that?
She got me in the hood.
Okay, guys, I booked the events. That's my little job duties, and it didn't say Compton, California.
If you guys know, you know. This girl got me in the hood. We're not there yet.
I think I know what park she's talking about.
And it's at a park, and they got security. Yeah, straight. Oh, Avalon.
I don't know if we're at the right place.
I'm following GPS. What you say? What's the name of it? What you say? So if you guys don't know, she books all the events. We do the pop-ups and all that. And since the last drink event that we did a private private bar, we didn't sell all our liquor. So we were like, you know what? Let's do it again. And so that's basically what we did. And this was really last minute. You want your hand, mama?
Oh, let's go send. Yeah, I think we got.
We in the hood though. This is the last minute.
How do you know this is considered the hood?
Alright, let's see. I guess it's good that they got security.
Yeah, 127. On the east side.
It's okay. All right, so
7 blocks down.
yeah, we almost there. All right,
Yeah. I don't think no park down here.
girl, I see tents.
Yeah.
Destination is on your left. 448 East 127th Street.
We're the right. That's not it. We have the wrong address. So guys, I think we are here, but she told us it was at a park. She's not answering my message. She answering you though, right?
Yes, sir.
We probably need our money back. Let me show. I'm gonna show you guys where we at in a minute, but
Hi, you guys. Hi. Hi.
You guys good?
Yeah, are you for the setting it up, right? For
yeah,
seductive? Where's the?
It's inside of here.
Oh, it's a
It's
a
the look on y'all
home.
face. I was like, are they? It looked like y'all was like. Is
I
this
thought it was
where
at
it's
a
at?
park.
That's where she usually has it at, but I guess she didn't have enough vendors or whatever the case may be. But the first time I ever did a pop-up shop with her, it was here, and it was good. There was still a lot of people that came and stuff, but yeah, she said you guys like the yard is big. Like once you walk back there, it's real big. So she had vendors lined up on the side, all the way up.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought she said a park.
Yeah,
I see.
it usually is at the park.
Where we at? 'Cause I was looking at the other videos and I'm like, okay, it has to be a park.
so let me explain what's going on. The lady that this is my first, me and my mom's first time vending with this lady who's running it. Apparently, she usually do it at a park, and that's what we were under the impression that it was going to be at the park, which is down there. But this is the address she was giving. So I'm like, why is it taking us to a house, residential? And so I'm like, it's kind of weird, and I feel like she should have explained it better that it's gonna be at somebody's house. So anyway, so apparently it says nice crowd, and when I was driving, I saw tents back there. So yeah, we're gonna be in somebody's house. We paid our vendor fee.
Peanut, park right here park right here.
I'm literally in the middle of the street. So anyway, I don't know how that's gonna be. I don't like that. It's not a lot of information, and we paid too much money to be in my house. And we made drinks last night, so we can't waste that liquor.
Okay. Don't be telling them my business. Okay, next time you book it.
I'm saying, like, why she didn't tell us it was at my house? You remember I said I
This
saw
is her mama house.
Oh.
It's nice backyard.
Remember when I said I saw tents back there, and you said
Yeah.
no, but I don't think it's there. I thought we got scammed. I'm not gonna lie.
She said she always do it at the park when something happened over down the way. Come, let me show you this the area. So I could kind of ease your mind. That's why we can bring liquor and
That's why. I'm like,
hookah. I said, well, you know,
that's what I said. Why shouldn't you explain this to us though?
it's a house party. Let's say that we got booked for a house party. Tell them that. Tell them that. Come on.
Let's see this area. Everything makes sense now.
Let me calm her down. It's so nice.
Mind you. Oh, it's nice. So it's gonna be
She got big space.
and she got porta potty down here.
Too.
Yeah, it's a nice area. Okay. So how many vendors you gonna get? We're at the pop-up event, and we thought it was gonna be at a park. That's what she told us it was gonna be at a park. Hi. Yeah. There. Somebody's house, yeah. Yeah. That's the same thing yeah. So I'm about to go set up the tent. And yeah, we're gonna make the best of this event. It's a nice backyard though. Alright, so I'm about to start setting up. I'm about to get on live right now. Ugh, there's so much stuff to do. You know what? I'm just gonna say we at a house party.
Oh baby, yeah. Gonna make it shake, shake, shake.
Alright, so we set up. I am about to go get some food.
Fresher than fresh. From homegrown watermelon that makes your mouth water to crisp corn picked right around the corner. Come back outside.
Ooh, where is that? Damn, see how I almost got hit by a car. Why is that rushing? Anyway. So I'm walking to Burger King to get us something to eat. We went to Starbucks this morning, but they didn't fill us up. All we had was a croissant, so. And I'm apologizing in advance because I know it's gonna be a little shaky. I'm vlogging, but I don't have my tripod with me, so bear with me.
If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me?
Alright, sold out of the pouches. I'm excited. And packing up now. Have left. I'm trying to sell this before we leave.
TT, my niece. Everybody in the world.
Okay, so we're both done. Both sweaty. You can see my face looking really bad. But overall it's okay. It wasn't what I expected. It's okay. Stuff happens. What? What are you whispering? And you got your fanny pack too, right? It is hot.
Oh, no, I don't. It's gotta be in.
What's in here?
You put it in the what bag?
It's right behind your head. Oh. Alright, so we're not gonna do anything else today. We probably just pick up some.
I'm tired.
Yeah, we wasn't going out to dinner.
Wipe my hand.
Yeah, and then
And this brown?
yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
So anyway, what I was saying, we wasn't going to eat, but we're too tired, so we're just gonna head home. What?
Unpack, clean up our house.
Yeah, we have to clean inconvenience. I just want to watch Law & Order and eat. I'm not even gonna lie and edit this vlog, but it's fine. But we can figure it out. So anyway, we're about to head home. We're not doing anything spectacular later, so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. What are we doing? I don't think I have anything planned, but anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And people over here drive crazy. Are you doing U-turn? Okay, hold on. Alright. There you go. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. Say bye, mama.
Bye, Mom.